morning, guys. Derek and I just got back from the gym. Excuse my hair. I'm like having the worst hair day ever. It always happens on the days that I want to film. So before I left, I made just a mango smoothie, and now I'm going to just eat a few of these little protein balls that I made. So I got this protein powder from Amazon because a lot of people in my last video were saying, like, if I really want to build muscle, I should just try to have a little bit more protein than I was when I was losing weight. So I don't personally think that you need to like supplement with protein powder or anything, but instead of just like eating tofu and beans and more natural foods all the time, like, it's nice to be able to make pancakes or bliss balls or more of like a treat with protein powder. So this is the one that I got. I've tried a few kinds in the past that companies have sent me, and I hated them because they had so much of the artificial sweetener in them that it just like threw me off. And this one I just found on Amazon. I'm not sponsored by this company at all, but it's definitely the best tasting protein powder that I've ever tried. And I like it because it doesn't have any artificial sweeteners in it, and it's made from all whole foods basically. So it's just organic peas, brown rice, hemp, vanilla, lucuma, mesquite, and there is like a little bit of stevia, but it's at the very end and like you can't taste it at all. So this is the one that I've been using. I'll leave the link below. I think I'm gonna buy the chocolate one next, and I've just been having these like when I get back from the gym or as a snack because they just taste like little cookie dough balls. Anyway, just update you on that. I've also found that adding protein powder to smoothies makes them much more filling, and I don't get that like hunger spike that I used to get because I stopped drinking smoothies because I would just be ravenous after drinking one. But I find if I do add protein powder that doesn't happen. So anyway, I'm working on a recipe for the blog today. I want to make like a roasted bean salad with black beans and chickpeas and edamame, and like roast it and then make a really good like miso dressing. So I'll kind of show you how I make it, but I'll put the full recipe link to my blog below so you guys can try it yourself. I don't know what that was. I already tried it. It's amazing. If you guys are looking for like a hearty winter salad recipe, you have to try this. Best part is 100% this dressing. I made it with basically just carrots, miso, maple syrup, ginger, and then some spices, and just blended it together. It is legit. Okay, so this is what I'm having for lunch, and I'll see you guys when I eat something again. as you saw, I made sushi for dinner, which is like no surprise here, Hannah. I feel like sushi is just so easy to make and it's such a good healthy food that I just eat it all the time.
All the time.
Anyways, if I eat anything else today, I'll let you guys know, or I'll put it in the video, because I found lately with it getting dark so early so fast, I tend to eat dinner really early, and then at 7 or something I always want to eat something else. So I usually have like oatmeal or some type of a snack. So just hang in there, because I'm probably gonna eat something else. But if I don't, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite food is in the comments box below, or any kind of recipes that you would like me to make, and I will put those on my blog and remake them for you guys. I'll see you in the next video.